Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and today in this video I am going to show you how you can use your iPhone as a webcam with Microsoft Teams. So if your laptop does not have a camera or it has a very poor camera, then you can use the camera of your iPhone as a webcam. So in this video let me show you how you can do it. For this you are going to need the following things. First of all, your iPhone which you are going to use as a webcam. It can be any iPhone. Secondly, a stand to hold your iPhone, and lastly your Windows or MacBook, because we are going to join the meetings using our laptop. So for this video I am going to use my iPhone as a webcam wirelessly. However, if you want to use it wired, then you're going to need an iPhone cable to connect with your laptop. So in this case we are going to need an active internet connection. So first of all, let us move towards our iPhone, and we're going to download a free app which will allow us to use our iPhone as a webcam. You're going to open the App Store and search for Camo Camera. You're going to download and install this free application. After that, we're going to open the Camo Camera app, and it will require some permissions. So we're going to allow permission to our camera as well as our microphone and location as well. Get started, and that's it. Now we're going to move towards our laptop and install the same software. In order to connect your iPhone wirelessly, make sure your iPhone and your laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. On your laptop, either on Windows or on Mac, you're going to open any browser and search for Camo Studio download. We're going to scroll down and you will see the camo.com website. If you're on Windows, you can open the Microsoft App Store because it's easier for you. If you're on Mac, you can simply open their website and download the setup. Once the setup has been downloaded, right click on it and click on open. It's going to open the Microsoft Store and it's going to download Camo Studio. Welcome to Camo Studio. Click on continue. You can take the tour as well. I am going to skip it, and we're going to click on continue as we have already downloaded it. We're going to click on skip again and it will start Camo Studio. And if your laptop or Windows machine has any webcam, it will by default use it. So we're just going to maximize it. On the left you have the devices section. If you scroll down, you have the option pair a device. Again, if you have connected your iPhone via wire and opened the Camo Studio app on your iPhone, it should automatically detect it. But since I am going wireless, I am going to click on pair a device. It will show us a QR code. So on our iPhone, we're going to open the Camo Camera app, click on the Wi-Fi button, and we're going to scan the QR code and it will connect it. Again, this will only work if both of your devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. And now you can see it is using my iPhone camera as a webcam with my laptop. So this is how simple it is. I can also go in horizontal mode. So let me just set it up with my iPhone stand. Once I have set it up my iPhone, as you can see right here wirelessly, now I can join any meetings. Besides that, if you go on the left side, you have these settings like you can change the lens as well. You can go with the wide lens or the telephoto lens if your iPhone supports it, obviously, and there are other settings as well. Here I opened Microsoft Teams on the web, but the process is same if you're using the Teams app. Anyways, I am going to start an instant meeting, and by default you can see it is using my laptop's webcam. In order to use my iPhone as a webcam in Microsoft Teams, in the camera, click on the drop down and you should see the option Camo. Just select this option and now you can see it is using my iPhone as a webcam with Microsoft Teams. So this is best if your laptop has a very poor quality camera or no camera at all. If you guys liked this video, make sure to like it. If you have any other questions regarding this video, write them in the comment section below, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. That's all for today. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.